In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate a text string into columns in Google Sheets. If you have a list of text values all sitting in one column and each value contains pieces of information separated by spaces, commas, or other characters, Google Sheets makes it very easy to split that content into multiple columns automatically. This is especially useful when you're working with imported data, copied lists, or names and values that need to be organized more clearly. To begin, highlight the cells or even the entire column that contains the text strings you want to separate. Make sure you only select the data you actually want to split, because Google Sheets will apply the change to everything in that selected range. It's a good idea to quickly check the columns to the right as well so you don't accidentally overwrite any existing information when the text expands into new columns. Once your data is selected, go to the top menu bar and click on Data. This opens the menu that includes several tools for organizing and cleaning up your spreadsheet. From there, choose Split Text to Columns. As soon as you click it, Google Sheets will begin preparing to divide the selected text based on a separator. You'll then see a small separator pop-up menu appear near the selected cells. This menu is where you tell Google Sheets how the text is divided. In other words, you are choosing the character that appears between each part of the text. Click the drop-down menu and choose the delimiter that matches your data. If you are not sure what separator is being used, select Detect automatically. This lets Google Sheets analyze the selected text and make its best guess. In many cases, this works well and saves time. If your data uses a clear separator, you can be more specific. Choose space if each part is separated by spaces, comma if commas divide the values, semicolon for semicolons, or period if the text is split by dots. Picking the exact delimiter usually gives you the cleanest result. If your text uses something more unusual, choose Custom. This allows you to enter a specific character, such as a hyphen or an @ symbol. Once you enter that custom separator, Google Sheets will split the text wherever that character appears. After that, your text will be separated into individual columns based on the delimiter you selected. This is a fast and simple way to turn messy text into organized spreadsheet data. And it can save a lot of manual editing time when you are cleaning up information in Google Sheets.